In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a video background to your Jotform. Open your browser and go to jotform.com. Then sign in to your account. From your dashboard, click plus create, select form, choose start from scratch, and then select the card form layout. Once the form builder opens, click the form designer icon in the top right corner. In the form designer panel, open the background section, then select the video tab. Browse the available stock videos and click on the one you want to use. The video will be applied as your form background immediately. If you want to use your own video, click Custom, paste the URL of your supported video, and then click Save Link. After applying the video background, preview your form to make sure it looks the way you want and adjust any other design settings if needed. That's how to add a video background to your Jotform. Thanks for watching.